Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, then I'm going to give you a little bit of explainer as to what to expect from this channel. So first of all, who am I? Gavin J Gallagher. I am a real estate investor, developer, and entrepreneur. I've been involved in the real estate sector now for 30 plus years. I've worked on 4 different continents, buying, selling, building, and managing real estate assets all the way from Midtown Manhattan to downtown Dubai. The goal of the channel is to share some of the insights that I've gained during that time. 3 decades of active investing and developing teaches you a lot of highs and lows that you're going to experience in that time frame. The cyclical nature of real estate means that you're going to experience that over a career. The idea of this channel is really just to share some of those insights, valuable lessons. If I can share them with you, maybe you'll learn something and sidestep some of the mistakes that I made. What you'll find if you look down below, you'll see there's playlists, and I've also included a free course. It's a module from one of my coaching programs. If you're a business owner, a professional, or a contractor, like a building contractor, you're interested in the real estate sector, let's say creating a passive income, creating a portfolio and scaling it is what I teach. The idea behind my teaching, having gone through the career that I've gone through, is to help you build a robust portfolio that is going to survive the next downturn, the next crash. So that's pretty much it for me. Be sure to check out the links in the channel description, and I guess I'll see you in the next video.